We may know Serena Williams as the superstar she is on the tennis court, but did you know that she also contributes to many worthy causes around the world? So in today's video, we're going to take a look at the contribution Serena Williams made in building a school in Trelawney, Jamaica.
Unstoppable.
Serena Williams is honored by the rare opportunity she has to use her global platform to assist others through monetary donations, lending a voice, or working in a partnership with existing non-profit organizations in both the United States and around the world. According to her website, on Monday, February 8, Serena Williams partnered with Helping Hands Jamaica to build the new Salt Marsh Primary and Infant School in Trelawney. The tennis icon and a group of volunteers in Jamaica, including Jamaican track star Warren Weir and Johan Blake, were there to help. This is the third school she has built through partnership with existing non-profit organizations. Not only did Serena contribute monetarily to the building of the school in Trelawney, Jamaica, but she actually went in person and contributed her labor.
Right here, so in Jamaica right now, actually. I'm working on a school.
With the Serena Williams Fund, her main focus is in two district areas, helping individuals of communities affected by senseless violence and ensuring equal access to education. Dancehall superstar Sean Paul was also hard at work helping Serena Williams to build the school in Trelawney. Over the years, Serena has done similar partnerships to build schools in Africa to help communities escape poverty through education and livelihood projects. In this video, Serena can be seen handing over the Salt Marsh Infant School following a ribbon bow cutting ceremony. Seen in the video was the dancehall superstar Sean Paul and Serena at the unveiling of the completed Salt Marsh Infant School. The students of the infant school were very grateful and reacted in this video. After receiving the video of gratitude, Serena updated her huge Instagram following with this caption: "I just got the best update from my school in Jamaica. This gives me chills. I'm so happy these young kids now have a chance to have an education."
No, spin it wrong.
No, that's why I asked.
Spin it wrong. Good.
They tried to set me up.
You need to cut it.
Not only is she good at swinging a tennis racket, but she's just as good swinging a hammer. Thank you for visiting our channel. If this is your very first time here and you like our content, please don't hesitate to subscribe so you'll get all our daily updates. Also, you could click on any of these suggested videos to continue watching. Until next time, please be safe.